Morning. Today we're gonna make something I've always wanted to try, a Hobo Handline. It's a simple all-in-one fishing kit made from a scrap of wood, and I've never made one before, so it's gonna be an experiment, but we'll see what happens. You don't need much. I just have a Leatherman for carving, some monofilament line, some tippet, a few hooks, 20 gauge wire, and paracord. That's it. Simple tools for a simple task and nothing you couldn't carry in your pocket. The first thing I'm looking for is a piece of wood. I need something that's going to be straight, not rotten, strong enough to last, and fits in my hand. Alright, I might be able to get something out of this. This looks like a pretty good piece right here. It doesn't have too many knots, and it's straight. Let's see if it's rotten. Well, it's rotten. That's a bummer. Okay, gotta find another piece. All right, that took a little trial and error, but we finally got a piece of straight, non-rotten wood. Let's see if it works. All right, I think the first thing I'm gonna do is try to get some of this bark off. It looks like there might be some holes in here, so I wanna make sure there's no damage from termites or who knows what. So yeah, I think that's gonna be the first thing I do. All right, here's our final product. And now I'm gonna notch out an area for the line to sit. When you're doing this notch, you want to be careful to score really well around the edge, or else you can have blowouts like I just did. I know you can get a cheap fishing rod at Walmart these days for like 10 bucks, but it ain't about that. I just enjoy coming out here, making something. So we're getting close here. It's not going to be perfect, but I do want to avoid any high spots, and then I need to clean up the edge of this to make sure that the line doesn't get caught when I'm casting. All right, it's pretty crude, but I think we're ready to put some line on it. So we have our foundation here and it's looking pretty good. I put on a hook just as a placeholder to keep the line from unraveling, and I have it hooked into the top here. And up next, I'm gonna auger a hole into the bottom of this, and that's gonna be where I store some extra hooks or other small fishing equipment items. And I'll make a cap for it too. All right, y'all, there it is, the Hobo Handline. I was gonna make a lure too, but I just ran out of time today, so we'll do that tomorrow morning. Right now I'm gonna go back to camp, make some dinner, and we'll get at this tomorrow. All right, y'all, so yesterday we made our hand line, and I'm really happy with how this thing came out. Today I gotta make a lure. I'm gonna use this scrap piece of wood, some wire, some paracord, and a hook, and hopefully make something that a fish wants to bite. Let's see how it goes. All right, y'all, we've done it. The Hobo Handline. Will it fish? I have absolutely no idea, but it was a ton of fun to make, and it only cost me about $2, so I'm not really out anything if it doesn't. Next time we'll get out and do some fishing with it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I'll do my best to help you out, and as always, if you liked it, like it, and if you really liked it, come along for the ride. I got a lot more videos headed your way. I'll see you next time.